Hi guys, today I am back with another trek. Today we are exploring Kenjalgad and Raireshwar. This is the view. So the trek has started. This is the village and we'll be heading through. 2 minutes in and the view has completely changed. Never expected this. I've been here twice, but in summers. This is a first monsoon visit. I was there 5 minutes ago and everything is covered in fog now. This is the top of Kenjalgad. Better than Kas Pathar, I think. So this was Kenjalgad. We'll now be heading towards Raireshwar. I'll see you then. heaven. Check out the view. The metal stairs and the plateau above. Something to look forward to, but I don't think we'll get any views. It will be the same as from Kenjalgad, all covered up in clouds. Finally on top of Raireshwar Plateau, and you won't believe it, this is the view. True paradise. The best surprise that I have got in a long time, nature wise. I'm very happy that I came today. This is not very publicly known, thankfully. The best part now, wait for it. Now I literally don't care if I don't get a good view of the valley or Kenjalgad. This is out of this world. Let me know what you think. Another field of flowers, but the road is very sticky. The Raireshwar temple. It is believed that Shivaji Maharaj took his oath to create Swarajya at this place. There is no physical evidence to prove it, but this is something people believe. There is no photography allowed inside, so no cameras. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, check out my trekking gear in the description below. Tell me which place should I visit next. Comment below. I'll see you next time. Bye.